everyone, this is Fes Siddiqui once again from Home Life G1 Realty. I want to introduce you to my latest listing at 135 Hillcrest Avenue, Unit 1407. So this beautiful condo is 1 bedroom plus den plus a solarium that could be used as office space. It's roughly around 800 square footage and the maintenance fee is extremely low, just under $400. Like, where are you gonna get that, right? Let's talk about the location. It's right next to the Cooksville GO station, which means for you that as soon as you walk out of the building, you're right at the GO. And commuters to Toronto, this is taking you straight to Union. Without further ado, I'll stop talking now. Let's get you a tour of this property. Let's do it. All right, guys, this is it. Sam the man, let's give him a tour.